From the eComm website, we'll be looking more deeply at strategy in the navigation and in the drop-down data model and tools. So Salesforce is at the heart of eComm, but it would be nothing without the other systems across CU that provide source system information. And then to continue to enhance that information or a perspective on a single constituent, eComm's applications like Marketing Cloud and Cvent do populate some data. So really trying to build a holistic view of a single person. So first, I'll go ahead and focus on the left-hand side of this diagram, where MDM or Master Data Management sits in the middle. And the purpose is to aggregate data from different source systems to a single record. The first database we have here is Advance, which provides donor, friend, and alumni information. We have Campus Solutions for academic and enrollment details. There's HCM or Human Capital Management for CU employment information, as well as IDM or Identity Management, which provides campus level affiliations. So if a contact does exist in one or many of these systems, they should be combined into a single record in MDM and then sent through to Salesforce for eComm to use. Once contacts exist in Salesforce, their information can be enhanced by Marketing Cloud, one of eComm's applications used for email marketing. So in Salesforce, we see a record of all messages an individual has received for the last 90 days. And on the flip side, while our users do hit send in Marketing Cloud, that audience, whether it's one person or 100,000 individuals, actually originates within Salesforce, where all of those contacts come in from MDM. So there's that bi-directional integration there that's very important. We'll see Cvent here as well, which is eComm's event management tool, and will enhance a contact by providing information on that person's participation with events. So not only are they registering for events, but if our event planners are using Cvent to track participation, we could see that as well. And if a new contact registers for a Cvent event and they don't already exist in Salesforce from one of those source systems, that contact will automatically be created and their event participation automatically tracked. And at the bottom here, we do have our eComm specialists who are incredibly important to the support model of eComm, with individuals who sit at each of our campuses to provide support to those who use our applications. So they wear many hats, but in this particular example, they have access to update a contact's email preferences. But that shouldn't happen too frequently because constituents themselves are able to manage their own preferences within the footer of the emails they receive. This was obviously a high-level review of our data model and the tools that comprise eComm. While it can be overwhelming initially, I do think it's nice to have an awareness of everything that's going on. But what we often find is once users get started and with their particular needs, will start really becoming knowledgeable and experts in certain areas of the platform and those that really benefit you and your team. So we do have further information on our data model, particularly our data dictionary outlining the full descriptions and values of every field that exists in Salesforce, about 500 data points, as well as an entity relationship diagram or ERD and how our data is configured within Salesforce. So most users don't need to know that it's much more of an eComm specialist focus for those who might be creating audiences.